Okay, what we have here is called Malabar spinach, and this is a very good spinach. You could eat it raw in your salad, or you could cook it. And today we're going to make it a special dish, which you've probably never seen before. It only takes a few minutes and very quick and extremely healthy. Okay, I think I picked a lot, so let's start cooking. Okay, I'm ready to do the Malabar spinach. So I have a pan heated here. Then I put a little bit of coconut oil. So then my next step is I'm going to add some onion, chopped onions that is. I'm going to let it saute a little bit. Then I'm going to add some garlic. Okay. Then I'm going to mix that together. Then I'm going to add just a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Not much, just a teaspoon and a half for that flavor. Fennel is a vital cooking component in especially fennel seeds in Southeast Asian cooking. So okay. Then I'm gonna of course add some turmeric powder. Mix all that together. Let it saute for a little time. Okay, added some grated coconut to the mix. Fresh grated coconuts. Probably about 6 tablespoons. And then finally, I'm going to add the Malabar spinach, which is already been chopped up, washed individually and chopped up. In other words, I took every leaf and washed it by itself, then chopped them up. Then I'm going to mix all together, and I will do this on a high heat because if not, being spinach, the water will come right down. It'll turn into soup, which you don't want. So I'm going to let it cook on high heat for about 4 or 5 minutes until no water is there. I'm going to add some salt. Not too much, you gotta be careful. After about 4 minutes on a high heat, as you can see, it is sauteed well. Malabar spinach doesn't need much cooking because it could be eaten raw also. So that looks beautiful. It's ready. Served as part of a complete meal, the Malabar spinach, chicken curry, not from a packet, but all the ingredients and the spices were ground and from here, and fish fried.